And then luckily for us also Mohit Suri did a great job. He came up with a Sayara and just broke the myth for everyone.
Why are being so mean to them? There are some lines that you feel, acha, people won't cross this line. But then when you see that more and more people have no moral boundaries or ethical lines, then you're like, arey, then do you need to get your hands dirty to survive?
Don't they ask why are actors so guarded? This is the reason why you're guarded.
It's
Because
sad.
anything you say or do is taken out of context. So I was sitting and hearing that. After that, that man has taken a picture with me. The cop has stood over there. He's spoken to me 5 lines. I've spoken nicely. Nothing happened about that. Whether it's Salman sir, whether it's Shah Rukh sir, Chichi Bhaiya, Akshay sir. These will be my references because I've grown up watching that. Because size as Kantara, we don't need to even do that much business. That's another kind of a film. We are all proud of it. And
I told mom I wanted to become an actress. She's like, you know, you're not going to be compared to my first movie or my second movie. You're going to be compared to my 300th movie.
Hi Janvi, Varun and Shashank.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to E-Times. And none of y'all need introduction, so we're going to straight away dive into the interview. So I want to start with Shashank. I remember that during Badrinath Ki Dulhania, when we spoke, you told me that you love making movies about human emotions, with filmmakers like Hrishikesh Mukherjee being your inspiration in that sense. Cut to present, we are in a scenario where we completely have different genres of cinema and the kind of attention being paid to, larger than life action movies, VFX, and yet to stick to your core in terms of human emotions as this film also promises. How has it been this time around?
Oh, ma'am, it's honestly not been easy because you as a filmmaker also get influenced by what's happening at the box office, what's happening with all the chatter around you.
Absolutely.
So it'll be unfair to say that, I was such a purist and I believed in myself so much that I stood my ground. I explored, and not from the perspective of following a trend, but sometimes just as a filmmaker to explore something new.
Yeah.
Like, what other genres can I write? I made Govinda Naam Mera, which was a nice comic thriller, that genre. So you always want to try. And again, I didn't make a conscious effort to try and come back to the genre. I think Varun and I, when we were discussing many stories, this idea came up. In fact, the germ of the idea came from Varun. Hey, what can we do if this is the idea? And then literally, I went back and said, hey, this is interesting.
but ये ऐसे नहीं करेंगे.
but ऐसे नहीं. But if you remember, एक दिन I gave you like a 4-page synopsis.
Correct.
And like, तूने लिखा कब? I said, bro, something triggered. It just happened.
But that's how Badri was also done.
Yeah, अगले दिन हमने 4-pager लिखा. So I think the minute you do it, but then once we knew we are making this, then we knew that we have to go back to the conviction with which we made a Humpty and a Badri and make it with that conviction, not be scared about what's happening in the box office.
Yeah.
And that saying that, hey, this film is, because there was so much chatter that maybe love stories only need to go to OTT platform. They don't have a place theatrically. And then luckily for us also, Mohit Suri did a great job. He came up with a Sayara and just broke the myth for everyone.
Yeah.
And I think now we can see the positivity around the film. I mean, from the day our teaser has come out, there is a real positive vibe. We have been getting good messages. And I think more than anything else, the whole world is excited. Yeah. Filmmakers are excited. I mean, it's been surprising because so many filmmakers have reached out to us, all of us collectively, and said that we're glad that all kinds of films can exist in a theatrical environment. Yeah. And again, having said this, it's not like other genres shouldn't be there. I think every film should have its place in cinema and try their hands at theaters. Again, some will work, some won't work. That's part of life. But we are very happy that this fun genre, this so-called romantic comedy, family entertainer, just that typical जो हम गुलदस्ता बोलते थे ना, like it's like a bouquet for the Hindi film audience. I'm happy that it's coming back because that's what I grew up watching. That's what I love most about cinema. Yeah. And I'm happy that we can create it.
Yeah, he spoke about, not being contaminated as a filmmaker, but as actors, two of you individually also, when we see some of your recent choices, there's been a lot of variety and some also choices when it, risky choices on paper, if perhaps I may say so. And there's been so much variety, like, for Janvi, if we see, last we saw you in Homebound. Before that, there was Param Sundari, and so much. There was Millie, so much variety. And same goes for Varun, that he's known as this massy actor, but then he's done an October and an a Badlapur. So where do you find that gumption to not get contaminated as artists?
For me, it's not about finding gumption as much as it's about just survival, or like, I feel like, and I hope I don't sound phony when I say this, but as an artist, I think I don't think I'd be happy just staying in one lane. I got a lot of joy and excitement and thrill finally doing a film like this with the people that were associated with the film. It was, I can tell you, one of the most fun, fruitful, joyous experiences of my life.
And it translates.
I hope so. And at the same time, the peace, the joy, the learning, the lessons that I found in doing a film like Homebound are also equally irreplaceable to me. But I think if I only stuck to one, I think I'd get incredibly bored with myself. So yeah, I think that's also the definition of being an artist, is to try different things.
Right.
I think same way to explore and stuff. I feel like I've just started my career. I have so much.
13 years later also?
I think 2 years went in COVID, so 7.
Yeah, not counted. So basically,
But-
I'm only 5 years.
But I just feel I have lots to offer more as an actor and get into different roles and stuff like that. It's so challenging to do a Sunny Sanskari, because the thing is, you don't want to be repetitive in this zone either.
Yeah.
We've worked together, so me and he also have to explore ki now let's do something. This is not Badri, this is not Humpty.
Yeah.
This Sunny is a different guy. He comes from a different social strata. He has a different way of thinking. He's optimistic. He's a very optimistic character, like both those other characters are. Because I feel Shashank's heroes, he writes very optimistic heroes who
Right.
feel that I will
Yeah.
reach the finish line. That's his, because he's an optimistic human being himself. So he likes to write that heroism, which is not in your face heroism.
It's endearing.
Yeah.
Right.
But he's got a belief and an optimism कि यार ये सही चीज है and मैं गलती भी कर सकता हूँ but मेरा दिल साफ है, ये सही चीज है मुझे लगता है. So I think that's the beauty with even Sunny, the optimism that he has. Though he's sometimes doing wrong things, but he's optimistic that it will turn out.
ये सही होगा.
ये सही होगा भाई, क्योंकि मेरा दिल तो साफ है ना. मैं चाहता तो गलत नहीं हूँ किसी के.
Yeah. Interestingly, like, so he directed your debut, and then you were a part of his debut film.
Yeah.
But
That's what it's like. This had
it's
to happen.
Circle, yeah. How do you think you've grown, Janvi, from first film with Shashank and to now? In terms of how confident do you feel today?
I mean, I hope a lot more than my first film, but to be very honest, I said this before, the foundation of everything I know about my craft was set by him. How I read a script, how I approach a script, everything is from the school of Shashank Khaitan. Like, he taught me what to look for in a scene, how to approach things. So, and that's stuck with me throughout.
So there's growth. But actually what needs to happen with all creative people, artists, is we need to become more empathetic, because we experience so much more. Yeah. Because, like she's done a Homebound, she's done a Bawal, she's done a Millie, he's done Citadel, he's done so many different
Baby
films
John,
in the thing, a Baby John. You work with so many different people, so many different genres, and so many different experiences. I think that should, as human beings, make us more empathetic, because we have so much more awareness of people's lives and stories. And I think as you grow in age, grow as artists, if you get more empathetic, that's really what growth is. Because, I mean, I much rather them not grow up and stay as young as they are. I think over the years, you were initially, but then I think lockdown really, lockdown shook us all up.
Yeah.
And I think after lockdown, a little bit of desperation set into all of us.
Especially
I think
Janvi,
it took some
it
time.
rattled
It rattled her. It destroyed her. Shattered her. And it was a mission for Varun and me to just relax
It
her.
was just the start of her career. I mean,
Yeah, एक film के बाद हो गया lockdown.
Start and pause. It for everyone.
But
सबका
at least
pause
y'all
हो.
had like
No,
5,
but we
6
wanted
years
to, because I was
I
thriving.
mean, I had a baby in lockdown.
I was thriving.
So it was a new start for
Yeah.
me.
You used it well.
I used it well.
But when during such time when it's so easy to feel kind of insecure or not have the
Yeah.
faith,
Yeah,
how do you all keep up the faith? Sometimes amidst everything that has happened, and talk about empathy. I'm sure that having empathy is
Oh, you
is a
kept faith after working with Amul and your career skyrocketed. Yeah, please रखना. Your career skyrocketed after working with Amul. So you kept the faith कि कभी ना कभी मैं किसी अच्छे इंसान के लिए काम
it makes
करूँगा.
you stronger now while
It
you
makes you
deal with
strong.
people like
Like
him.
Amul. हाँ.
Me, why are you being so mean to Amol?
I love Amul, but we have our internal jokes.
Amol, I wouldn't take it if I was you.
He's an old veteran. He's 65 years old now.
Oh,
He's-
okay. So either Amul ji, Amul
Amul ji.
Amul, we're saying
No,
like
no,
he should-
he's not 65.
Oh, he's not 65. Why are you lying?
I think this interview, I've lost what I wanted to ask, things that I wanted
Serious
to.
questions on a
Yeah,
film called
serious.
Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi.
Now what to ask? I've lost my flow.
Sorry.
Something about are we shaken up or do we keep the morale?
Yeah,
How do you keep
yeah,
the faith? How do you
no,
keep
yeah,
the
I
empathy?
call him sometimes.
Anything, yeah.
And he
Yeah.
tells me, he basically told me such a wimp.
Yeah,
Get it
because,
together.
because she gets shaken sometimes by certain things, certain narratives. We all do with something that's on social
right.
media. But what shakes you more when it's a false narrative?
Yeah.
And it's so easy to create a false narrative today and a manipulative narrative that we've been working, like for example, I've been working with my people who are doing PR of the films and all from years. Certain things that happen are even beyond them because
Right.
there are levels. You can know that this story is a planted story. Now it is going to a level, मतलब you're like, अरे भाई कुछ भी हो रहा है,
Yeah.
कुछ भी न्यूज़ बन जा रहा है, कुछ भी आप करा रहे हो ऐसा पैसा देके, and that is not the kind of probably ethic that I stand for moralistically, or I think my team stands for, who I work with. So when we see these things, we get shaken up, and someone like Janvi, who's slightly newer, it can completely shake your confidence.
Because
You know?
you kind of feel like whatever, there's like a level playing field and everything, but there are some lines that you feel, acha, people won't cross this line. But then when you
But
see
they
that
do.
more and more people have no moral boundaries or ethical lines, then you're like, Arey, then do you need to get your hands dirty to survive in an environment like this? So it just kind of makes you feel weird. But you come back to your core.
But has that made you all kind of set your own boundaries
Yeah.
in terms of
Yeah.
I think I've
And-
Who
become
you trust, who you don't
yeah, for
trust,
sure.
100%.
and also what you say in interviews?
100%. Can I
Bro,
be
they
very
ask why are
honest?
actors so guarded. This is the reason why you're guarded.
Yeah, it's
Because
sad.
anything you say or do is taken out of context. And maybe, and I'm not blaming
Yeah.
the entertainment journalists are still one of the nicest people, I'm saying. And it's not even journalists, it's
Yeah.
other people on social media who might take your words, twist it, might take a certain incident, जहाँ आप बस खड़े हो, आप ऐसे you're hugging someone, वो कुछ wrong context में दिखा देंगे,
Right.
मजे करने के लिए, उनके खुद के
नहीं, हाँ, उनको followers बढ़ाना है, उनको engagement बढ़ाना है. So it's just become a very, I don't know.
अरे हाल ही में मेरे ड्राइवर के साथ कुछ हुआ, we had just reached somewhere and then it became a thing that they are fighting over that, which is what rubbish. That man has come and taken a picture with me later on, and so has the cop.
God.
He was saying that only, that I want to
And
take
the
a picture.
stories when that you had to come and intervene. Your driver was
Interview
rude.
with what? Nothing happened. First of all, nothing happened. If someone from law enforcement talks to me, I will sit and stand. I'm nobody near them. Everyone's equal near the law. So I was sitting and hearing that. After that, that man has taken a picture with me. The cop has stood over there. He's spoken to me 5 lines. I've spoken nicely. Nothing happened about that. But आपको बनाना ही है वो एक चीज.
But despite that, I have to say that, and I could be wrong, but the vibe that I get and what I gauge, I think there's this quality about you and Janvi both, that there's this very childlike quality which is very reflective.
Basically, we're immature.
Yeah,
No, it's not immature, but in a very good way. No, but in a very good way, how have you maintained that in terms of, because I think that through your eyes in your interviews, I think there's something very candid and real which always I take back.
I think we don't keep a filter.
Yeah.
And even Sheeto doesn't have also. And even I also don't have. So together it's quite dangerous. But we don't इतना क्या सोचने का है यार. मतलब
I also think for them both, it comes from the family around them and the people around them. I think when you have good people around you, they secure you. So I think that security which they have, that really helps them.
Yeah, allows us to be childish selves, I guess.
like I want that tennis ball right now.
Why?
Just to play with. वो दे सकता है क्या?
Are you stressed?
No, it'll
you
be
need
distracting.
No, yeah, it's a distraction.
No, but then
Yeah,
even
but-
I want. No, then you throw to me, I'll throw to you.
We'll see.
I think you have unleashed the child.
In Sunny Sanskari, in the climax, I love the Raja Babu.
In the climax?
No, sorry,
Oh,
in
the
the
trailer.
trailer. Sorry, I haven't seen the film yet.
Everyone, we are feeling the film.
Trailer.
I'm feeling scared.
yeah.
Everyone's saying I'm the film.
The whole Raja Babu reference, I absolutely love it. Varun, are you in your heart always that, you know, cinema cinema child who loves this quintessential Hindi cinema?
Yeah, obviously I grew. See, I think it's there. I'm not the only one who has done it or does it. If you see even a lot of the yesterday actors who grew up watching Amitabh Bachchan ji or Dharminder ji or Vinod Khanna ji, they will have references towards them or Mahmood Saab at that time.
Yeah.
Moving forward, I'll have references of my heroes.
Right.
Whether it's Salman sir, whether it's Shah Rukh sir, Chichi Bhaiya, Akshay sir, these will be my references because I've grown up watching that. Tomorrow कोई और होगा जो अभी बड़ा हो रहा है उसको रणबीर का होगा, you know, so or Hrithik sir. So we'll always have the reference of people we've grown up watching and especially in a pop culture kind of fun entertainer like that, you get that leeway.
For you and Janvi, 7 years later for you, you know, are you all feeling content at this point of time? Is there something which still kind of affects you, or you know, are you perhaps where you thought you would be today?
No, I'm not where I thought I'd
No.
Then what did you think?
be. No, I thought I'd be somewhere else.
Where did
Matlab in Juhu only. Matlab in this area only I'd be living. But I don't know, something else, some more stuff. But I think something else has happened which I'm enjoying more.
You are saying and not saying.
No,
But I understood what he was
I
saying.
thought professionally.
Please elaborate.
No, I thought professionally some other stuff might be going on now. But
He's only
so-
working with Sydney Singh.
who? With whom? Who would say it loudly by whispering? It's okay.
I mean, I'm shy.
What?
What if we get
Yeah,
in
maybe I
trouble?
did think I would be working with
He
her.
thought he'd be working with Sydney Sweeney by now. I
And not
feel.
Janvi.
Oh.
Yeah. Not Sunny. So
Let's
Tulsi
not-
Kumari would be Sydney Sweeney.
Sydney
With him, he'd
Kumari.
be doing.
No,
With
but
her.
we must appreciate what we have. I mean, we have our very own. I am.
We didn't need.
I appreciate. I fully appreciate.
No, we don't mean
How
that.
dare
But
I
I'm
fully
just saying
appreciate
that I completely.
I fully appreciate her. 100%.
Yeah, I feel very appreciated.
No, definitely appreciate her
Actually.
every day.
No, but I think if I can speak for myself, I think I'm more content than I was at the start, but definitely not where I want to. Also, so many, I feel like you plan so many things, nothing ever turns out the way that you plan it, but whatever's meant to happen will happen, and you need to find, like, I don't think any of us planned for COVID to happen. That really rewired a lot of
I
things.
feel I have made peace with not being at peace.
Wow.
He's made peace with
We
not
must take
working with
notes
Sydney
on
Sweeney
that.
yet.
Stay here. Say it again.
I've made peace with not being at peace.
I feel like 2-3 movie clashes must
Yeah.
always be avoided, and also exhibitors are in a dilemma who to give shows to whom. I know the things that happen over there. What do you have to say? Do you think this could have been avoided? Kantara
No, see,
clash
you know,
with-
honestly, our date that we were coming on got moved because of various reasons. And we were trying to get out the best film that we can possibly. And there's nothing
Yeah.
that beats that. You have to make your best film. We made our best film. And we're talking about clashes. We had no other date because in a line, if you saw Param Sudri release, then after that Bagi release, then Jolly LLB release, then there was a very big anime film which released in between which did well. Conjuring did well. So when should we come?
And then Kantara, then
When
there's
should-
Hama.
Right now,
We at
OG
least
is
want-
also doing very
Yeah,
well.
so we at least
Pawan.
want a run of 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Another period which would have been good for us maybe would have been Diwali.
Diwali, yeah.
But I'm very close friends with Dinu and Amar. I've done Bhedia with them. I've done Badlapur with them. Karan is close friends as well over there. So now someone is your friend, you will not want to go there.
Right.
Hence, I think this date is big with Gandhi Jayanti and Dussehra. And people were not, honestly, it's not my decision, it's more the production's decision, the date. I don't choose a date. But the date is so big that they felt ki chalo, we will have enough space to do. Also, we are not as big a film like Kantara.
Yeah.
Nor do we have the
Realistic.
delusion
And
of
we are
that.
making so many films. How is it going to be possible to release only one film in 1 week? That means if we go by that philosophy, we'll be releasing only 52
Yeah.
films in a year.
Yeah.
No, we would love
That's
to come on a
never
solo
gonna
date
And in
and
that
happy
case, I
date.
think the way Salman Khan once said it and Amir Khan said it, we need to have more theatres, especially
100%.
single
I mean,
screens in
screens.
2-tier,
we
3-tier
definitely,
cities.
for the population we have. But you know,
Yeah.
we have to also understand from a very simple perspective that those theatres need to be full,
Right.
right? It's not important to build theatres, but we need to make it accessible
Incentivize
as well.
people, yeah.
Right.
So it's not just about theatres coming up, it's about what price points they're going to come up at, and then are they going to help you get newer people into the
Yeah.
theatres rather than the same people going to more the different theatres.
Right.
See, ultimately, I feel if a film is good, it gets love. A lot of films can Gadar and Lagan release together.
Absolutely.
You know, films release together and they do Oh My God and Gadar
Got
2
that.
release
Two
together.
So last year, this time, I think Bhool Bhulaiya and Singham.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they release in
During
Diwali.
Diwali, that was.
So
During
I feel
Diwali.
लोगों को एक अच्छी फिल्म दोगे तो it will hopefully find an audience. Otherwise,
Yeah.
हमको we honestly didn't have an option.
Yeah, कोई शौक नहीं था कि-
Yeah, and
I'm sure nobody
And like I said, we are
wants
not that big a size as Kantara. We don't need to even do that much business. That's another kind of a
Mammoth
film.
of
We
a
are all
film, yeah.
proud of it, and I think we should support each other. In fact, there's a photo which Shashank keeps sending me.
That's an
of
AI
Kantara
created
and
photo.
Sunny hugging each other. There's some meme like that.
Yeah.
I
But
like
basically,
it.
it's saying
Maybe
that both
it's like
films should do well.
Barbenheimer.
Yeah, both films should do
Exactly.
Yeah. Both the films did well. Even
Yeah,
the others.
exactly.
Yeah.
And it was healthy, and there are different audiences for both films. And like he said, that it's a much bigger film in terms of budget, in terms of days of
Right.
shoot, and
We-
we're a family
We
entertainer.
have music, we have that
Yeah.
rung like that.
I'm
we
so
have,
glad there's
we
good
have
music
Bijuria,
also
we have
after a
Sonu
while.
sir coming back, we have Perfect, we have Panwadi, we have such a brilliant song coming out today, Behtar. Arijit Da has sung it, Tanishq has composed it, and Manoj Ji has written the lyrics, and Azim, who's here, he's supervised it. So, and I was supervising him while he supervised it. But we've given it our all, yeah. So we can just hope for the best.
Yeah.
Okay, Janvi, I need to ask you something just as we wrap up. That interestingly, it just came on my mind while I spoke to you and when we spoke about your journey. I had asked this to Abhishek Bachchan that while people speak about nepotism, I think it in a way worked against him because people constantly keep comparing him to his father, which is unfair in a way. So when I asked him, has it been unfair for you? Because and he told me that no, they're comparing me to the best.
Yeah.
I take it as a compliment.
It's
Yeah.
crazy.
In your case, it's so lovely to see how you've, carved your individuality and your niche. But do you think that's also the case with you, where you're constantly being compared?
But
Your
actually,
mom.
mom.
I don't think she's actually compared to her mom. Are you?
Yeah, Varun, what do you mean?
No.
Kind of bit. It's
No,
like-
I think I
Varun
honestly
is
feel
like,
no. I
He's
honestly,
living under a rock.
I feel that she's compared more to her contemporaries. I feel more than what people her own age. I mean, that is the actual comparison which people within making films are doing. कि यार ये इसने किया अच्छा या some other actress.
No, but in the
of her age
audience's
doing.
eyes, it's more like. See,
I
I
don't think
remember
so.
when I told mom I wanted to become an actress, she's like, you're not going to be compared to my first movie or my second movie. You're going to be compared to my 300th movie, which I wouldn't wish on my worst enemy. And I was like, mom, I don't know what you're saying. It'll be fine. Like, it's chill. But then I slowly started understanding the weight of it. But like Abhishek sir said, you're being compared to the best. So if nothing else, at least you're aspiring for that level of work. Even though I think it's completely impossible for anyone to reach that kind of output, but I feel that having that legacy in front of me just makes me more responsible and keeps me on my toes a little bit. And if that makes me a better artist, I'm okay with it.
Lovely, and more power to you.
Thank
and
you.
Congratulations for Homebound
Thank
Oscar.
you so much. Thank you.
And all the very best.
Thank
for
you
the
so much.
film.
Thank you so much.
It was so lovely talking
Thank
to
you.
you.
Same here.
Thank you.
Same here.
Same
here.
All the best.